adjective ed or adjective ing. I have more example. Adjective with ed. Yeah. First one, interested. Interested. Excited. Excited. Embarrassed. Embarrassed. Worried. Worried. Tired. Tired. Impressed. Impressed. Married. Fascinated. 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 Bored. Bored. Disappointed. Disappointed. Amazed. Amazed. Talented. Talented. Scared. Scared. Etc. Extra មានន័យថាមានតទៀត on so B adjective ing example interesting exciting embarrassing tiring impressing boring fascinating disappointing amazing scaring and so on. This is small test. Match the line about Sally. Sally was interested, so she asked him a lot of questions. Sally was interested, so she asked him a lot of questions. 2. Sally was interesting. Why Sally was interesting? Because she was funny and made him laugh. So please analyze this. Sally was interested and Sally was interesting. ចឹងសូមធ្វើការវិភាគកន្លែងនេះហើយđâyបានកន្លែងណា she was interested ហើយណា she was interesting ចឹងទី1 where Sally was interested មានន័យថា Sally បកប្រែដើម្បី Sally was interested so she asked him a lot of questions Sally បានចាប់អារម្មណ៍ទៅអ្នកណា Sally ចាប់អារម្មណ៍ទៅ Dominic មានអត់គាត់ចាប់អារម្មណ៍ទៅគេណាដល់គាត់ពេញចិត្តគេណាបានគាត់អីគេគាត់សួរនេះសួរទៅ Dominic នៅសំណួរជាច្រើនបើសិនបើសំទោសបើសិនបើ Sally អត់ពេញចិត្ត Dominic មិនសួរទេមែនអត់Sally ពេញចិត្តដែរអញ្ចឹងបានប្រើ Sally was interested អានេះវាជាអតីតកាលណាបើសិនបច្ចុប្បន្ន Sally is interested តែអានេះជា past simple ប្រើ Sally was interested អញ្ចឹងយើងពិភាក្សាទៅលើលេខ2 Sally was interesting មិនបានទៅជាអានេះ ing វិញ because she was funny and made him laugh ចឹងកន្លែងនេះបកប្រែផ្សេងប្រែថា Sally គួរឲ្យចាប់កំប្រុស Sally ខ្លួនឯងស្អាត Sally ខ្លួនឯងគឺតាក់ទាញ Sally ខ្លួនឯងនេះគឺមានមន្តស្នេហ៍នោះមានអំណោយទានគាត់នេះចឹងបានណាកន្លែងមានពាក្យអីថានេះគាត់តែឃើញគាត់ញញឹមក៏គេពេញចិត្តដែរណា funny ហើយធ្វើឲ្យណា ធ្វើឲ្យ Dominic លងស្នេហ៍ធ្វើឲ្យ Dominic បាទមានសំណើចប៉ុណ្ណឹងយល់ទេចឹងអូខេបាទចឹងគ្រូមានប៉ុណ្ណឹង